Lesotho language, which basically the meaning of the words which were used meant that we are very happy to be here and we have been waiting for so long for this day to arrive. Since we arrived here, we have had such wonderful experiences here. We have loved the view of the environment around. We have loved looking at the trees around. Everything about the environment. We have seen the sea. So lovely view around here, and I should note that I had no idea that the environment here in Lewis was so well kept. So we have had such a wonderful experience. Even here at this partner school of ours, as called Pro Petro, where we are, we have learned so many things in relation to teaching as we are teachers.
And our hosts were very good to us and are still being good to us, because this is not just a social visit but an educational visit. Really, we have explored much, we have adapted much with the teaching methods, how learners can be provided with whatever material you need.
Wel, mae'r mocete heddi, chymod, yn enghraifft o ddathliad, a pan mae athrawon o Gymru yn mynd I Lesotho, maen nhw'n cael y mocete, sef maen nhw'n dangos I dawnsio traddodiadol, I gwisg traddodiadol, ac yn ei siŵr bod ni'n teimlo'n rhan arbennig o'r peth.
A mae'r canu allan yn Lesotho yn anhygoel o dda. Fel 6 person a maen nhw'n ffurfio côr. Mae fendigedig a mae'r lleisiau'n dod trwyddo'n gryf a ni wedi cael ledd heddi.
A mae'n ddiddorol iawn, does dim cyfwriaeth ar y cwricwlwm. Mae'n rhywbeth maen nhw'n wneud allan o fwynhad ar ôl ysgol o chi, chymod, so mae'n rhywbeth arbennig iddyn nhw.
Mae'n gyfle da I ysgolion ac I rydiadau eraill yng Nghymru I gysylltu gyda Lesotho ac I ddysgu wrth ein gilydd. A da ni prosiectau ym byd addysg, ond hefyd ym byd iechyd, ar ymgylchedd ag ati, felly mae ar draws wahanol wasanaethau yn Nghymru. Ond chi'n cael rhywun o Lesotho yn eich dosbarth chi yn dod â'r peth yn fyw. Felly mae'r plant yn gallu holi gwestiynau, yn gallu cael yr athro na I ddysgu nhw, a cyfle tro yma, mae yna ddisgyblion o wahanol ysgolion wedi draw hefyd, felly mae yna brofiad I bobl ifanc I siarad a cyfoedion